So I just bought a new travel bag for on my bike, and it's the, let's see if you can see it, Overlander 30. So I thought I would unpack it with you guys and see what it's all about. So this looks good. Some straps. Let's see what we have. That's the inner stuff, so it's rigid. And this is the bag itself. Looks good. Let's see. So that looks nice. Just giving you a quick overview. It's a roll-up bag. I like that. I don't think it's that hard. Let's see what we have. We have some straps, stickers. Stickers always good, and a little neck buff, I think. Yep. This is what goes on top for your map or other stuff that you want, or a molly. So you can attach all kind of stuff to it. But for me, it's really about the capacity. So let's get this one in. It's gonna be hard to put this on camera. Okay, I'll try to show you. Let's see. So this is the inner lining that you have. And what you have here on the inside, hard to see, but you have some Velcro straps here that attach to that part there. So if you put it under there, it will stay put. And I'll try to do that now, but I'll need two hands, so you won't see much. Okay, so it's in. Just had to adjust it a bit. Here you can see, so it's nice and rigid. So it keeps its form. I like the size of it. It's good. Some pouches. Nice zipper. Some more storage on the side here. And also on that side. So this is the bag. This is what I also have on my ADV bags. I really like that. You can get the air out and then tighten it. So just fold it, as you can hear, and then tighten it, and then it's closed. Let's see where these loops go. I think, yeah, they go over here. So when it's tight, you can put it over here. Let's do this one as well. Let's tighten this one up. I also do the same on this side. There's nothing in it, so it's not the best way to show this. Then you can fill it like you want, close this up. And okay, we also have some straps over here. You can also attach it like this. We also have some straps for the backpack, but that's not what I will use. Some more straps to attach stuff. Yeah, I like it. Let's see if we can mount it on the bike. We of course also have a lot of tie downs, so maybe I will use that, but let's see. Well, it's not too big on the bike, so that's a plus. I'm just thinking how I can attach this to the bike. So we need some we do need some buckles to connect it all. So let's see, tie them down. Let's see if I can show you. Another buckle. This is the buckle, and this part needs to go under here. Then you can slide through the strap. So that's secure. Let's do the ones over here. So it's not a quick variant of this. Of course you can leave the buckles, but I like it when it's quick and easy. Then we can put the bag on it, like so. Get that attached. And also at the back. I think it's a great addition to if you have your ADV bags and you want some more storage on top. It's not really more storage, but more practical because it's more rigid. And it can hold, I think, a bit more sideways. So that's good. Maybe for tripods and stuff. And when I cinch it down, well, it's not that bad. I see that I have these ones the wrong way around, so for this purpose I'm gonna do it like this. And cinch it down again. Same goes for this one. So that's my fault, but not too bad. Yeah, that's going nowhere. That's rigid. And if you need to get your stuff, open them on this side, on this side, and you have access. Yeah, I like this. Shouldn't be too hard to also get it on the Ténéré, because I have enough mounting points here. So these two at the back, one here and one there to cinch it down. So get your stuff, open up the valve. As you can hear, yeah, it's a bit new, so it's not quite informed yet, but give it one trip and it will. Put this one through again. Yeah, nothing's gonna happen to that. Just some extra cable stuff, but you can fix that with the Velcros. This is more for the beaver tail, but I don't have a use for it, so I'm not gonna use it. And it's the only mesh you have. Well, here you have two, but I can also cinch it down. Not bad. For demonstration purposes, I'll put it on the Ténéré. Let's see. I have my straps. Get this one on and get it attached to here. Let's first do the back. I'm not going to show you because that's not that interesting. Just attach the clips to it and cinch it down. The last one. That's not bad. So if you need to take some stuff with you, it's pretty rigid. That's really, it's on there. That's not going anywhere when you're riding. So cinch it down a bit more and clean up the ties. Well, it's empty, so it's a bit not nice to look at, but I think it's good. You can take stuff with you. More than enough space, 30 liters. Maybe a bit more because you can expand to the top. So I like it. I'll take it on my next ride, see how it goes. But that will be in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.